Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete or disable the price alert into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget, you will get to see this option of markets. Tap into markets, and after tapping into the markets, just simply select these three dots from top right corner. Tap into that and then go to price alert option. Now after going into price alert, you will get to see all of the alerts that you have. Now just simply tap to all alerts if you would like to see, and then open any of the alert which you would like to delete. Just simply do that, and after that you will get this delete button directly into the top right corner. Just simply tap to delete and tap to delete again in order to confirm. And this way you can easily remove or delete all of the price alert or any of the price alert which you would like to delete. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.